The power of short stories in enhancing English language proficiency. In the journey of mastering the English language, the role of short stories cannot be overstated. For learners aiming to improve their language skills, delving into the world of short stories offers a multifaceted approach that goes beyond conventional language learning methods. In this article, we will explore how reading short stories serves as a powerful tool for growth and advancement in language proficiency. Vocabulary expansion. Short stories provide an excellent platform for expanding one's vocabulary. Within the context of a narrative, learners encounter a diverse range of words and expressions, many of which may not be part of their everyday language use. This exposure to new vocabulary contributes significantly to the enrichment of their word bank, allowing them to express ideas more precisely and comprehensively. Grammar and syntax mastery. Through the varied structures of sentences and the nuanced use of grammar in short stories, learners can enhance their understanding of English syntax. Observing how authors construct sentences and convey meaning helps learners internalize grammatical rules in a natural and contextualized manner. This immersive experience aids in the development of grammatical accuracy and fluency. Listening comprehension improvement. The benefits of reading short stories extend beyond the written word. As learners engage with the text, they indirectly sharpen their listening skills. Reading aloud or listening to narrations of stories allows them to familiarize themselves with pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm, contributing to improved overall listening comprehension. Cultural insight and idiomatic expressions. Short stories often serve as windows into the cultural aspects of the English-speaking world. Authors embed cultural references and idiomatic expressions within their narratives, offering learners not only language proficiency but also cultural insights. This dual exposure enables learners to grasp the contextual nuances of expressions and use them appropriately in real-life conversations. Reading proficiency enhancement. The consistent practice of reading short stories accelerates the development of reading proficiency. Learners become adept at scanning for information, making inferences, and understanding implied meanings, a set of skills crucial for success in academic and professional contexts where extensive reading is required. Motivation and engagement. The narrative element of short stories makes the learning process enjoyable and engaging. Unlike traditional language learning materials, stories captivate learners' attention, fostering a love for reading and language exploration. This intrinsic motivation becomes a driving force, encouraging learners to dedicate more time and effort to their language studies. Conclusion. In conclusion, incorporating short stories into language learning endeavors is a strategic and effective approach. The holistic benefits, ranging from vocabulary expansion to cultural insights, make this method invaluable for learners aiming not only to improve their language proficiency but also to cultivate a genuine appreciation for the English language. Improve English with Stories can serve as a dynamic platform for learners seeking an immersive and enjoyable language learning experience.